Let's now take you to Athi River town, where some residents there woke up to grim scenes. Tons of dead fish washed up on the banks of the clammy Athi River, the most glaring signs yet of just how impure the river waters are. NTV's Athi River reports on the latest finding that bodes ill for the river and those whose lives depend on it.
In their numbers, the dead fish washed up on the banks of the chalky Athi River, a sign of the deep trouble that lurked in the shadows. It is alleged that the death of the fish had been caused by effluent released into the river by unscrupulous manufacturers.
Nikaona maji yanakuja kujaa, nikaanza kuona samaki ikiruka juu. Kutoka hapo Monday nikakuja nikakikuta sikiwa hapa juu.
Vile tuliona jana, tukasema tuwezi jaribu tena sababu unaweza tega uanze kuumwa na tumbo, uende hospitali uumie.
When this fish died, some of the vendors went and picked the dead fish, came and sold it to people. Now, I don't know how far that fish has been sold. I want to warn the vendors who are selling that fish, and I'm also cautioning consumers, don't just take fish without knowing the origin of that fish.
This comes only 2 weeks after NTV exposed the alarming rate of pollution of the Nairobi and Athi rivers and their tributaries. Soon after, government agencies swung into action and shut down factories suspected to be discharging effluent into the rivers. But their cleanup campaign did little to clean out the filth in the waters of the Athi.
Vile tumeona hiyo maji imekaa, tukaona ni chemical, hakuna kitu kingine.
Residents are now demanding that the government arrest the situation, if only to prevent the death of humans.
Kama wanaweza kuchunguza hii mto inakuwa na maji inakuwa green, na tuelewi hiyo green inakuwa nini, na hapo awali ilikuwa maji safi.
Sasa lazima tusafishe, na lazima watu ama makampuni ambazo zinatupa takataka katika mto Athi wachukuliwe hatua kubwa.
The Kenya Wildlife Service has also been advised to participate in the rehabilitation of the Athi River, as wild animals are also susceptible to the effects of the toxic waters. Athi River, NTV.